How to send an email on Microsoft Outlook mobile app. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to send an email or message on Outlook very easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to your Outlook. This is the home page. Now go down here, click on this little icon, and here add in the first option, add the email of the person that you want to contact, for example this email, and here in the subject add the title of your message, for example invitation, like this, and the last one here add your message, for example, hey, my name is Jacob and I invite you to my birthday. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, after you finish your message, go in the top corner, click on the send option right here, and the message is sent successfully. Don't forget to like and subscribe.